I'm living right here.
There
in
is
the
a
virtual
key
world.
under the mat. No. Okay.
All right. So most of you would have heard, if you haven't yet, late yesterday, I think in the evening, the Prime Minister announced a nightly curfew for Jamaica for 7 days from April 1 to 8. And this is because of basically they must have time in your yard and people still feel like they need to go out and mingle and just sit down and chat and So the Prime Minister said, all right, since you not protect yourself, let me protect you and others. So it's going to be 8 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Daily from the 1st to the 8th.
From the 1st to the 8th. He gave, I'm trying to find it in this, but I'm not seeing it.
What you looking for?
In the press conference, he gave a projection. Like he was saying, listen, if you guys don't stay in, if you don't practice social distancing, if you don't do what you have to do in a number of days, we're going to be looking at over 4,000 people infected with COVID. Right now we're at 36.
Confirmed cases.
Why would we want to even get to 100, much less 4,000?
But I see they broke out first the curfew announcement and then those supporting illustrations, the graphs yesterday, CMO pulled for one that show how one person, if you do social distance, can infect.
Of course.
Right? Because it's, what they say, one person can infect 2.5 people?
2.5, yes.
And when I looked at the picture, it blew my mind and I'm saying to myself, all right, are we breaking these things out now because we're trying to scare people into understanding how this thing really goes daily? And I'm wondering to myself, if I look on those things yesterday and said to myself, no, sir, this is serious. Will it have the impact that the Prime Minister intended for it to have? Because we haven't seen graphs before, I don't think. Curfew is obviously a step up. But do you think this will change anything?
So I'm going to say this. The challenge with communication at a development level is the scaling down of messages and the scaling up of messages. Because, first of all, language, and then people living in one part of Jamaica are going to have a risk perception that's higher than people living, and their cultural risk perceptions as well. Because people are going to say, me have a bush, we can't count a flu. So, I'm not afraid of COVID. I know which bush we drink.
Yep, busy, cures everything.
So outside of that general information, which is why I keep asking for more parish council participation in this process, because every community...
You have to cascade it down from the top.
Yeah, every community has a different kind of thing. So some people are out there and some of them is really just not connect to them or it's supposed to connect to
And
them.
the point is that you make is important because a lot of the stories we hear are of events happening in communities.
Yeah.
Football matches still going on and people still hanging out in bars. And so you're absolutely right with the target for that.
I feel so I'm fit, so my immune system better than some even if you catch me, I go, all right, you won't be.